So, not many iPhone users really know about this hidden menu called diagnostics. These are additional options available to you on your device, but you have to know how to enable this on your iPhone. So, let's say your Face ID decides to stop working, or the speakers don't sound right, or even the touchscreen is not responding as intended. Well, this hidden menu, the diagnostics options menu on your iPhone, is one of those features that can help you determine what's the actual cause of any issues on your iPhone. So today I'm going to show you how to unlock this menu on your device. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to power off your iPhone. Now, follow these steps in order to power off your iPhone. Jump into settings, head on over into general, scroll all the way to the bottom and click right here on shutdown. So you want this menu here and then slide to power off just like so. Now, once your iPhone is completely shut down, that is when you want to go ahead and grab the charging cable, the same cable you use to charge every single day. Make sure it is connected to a power source. And once your iPhone again is completely shut down, you want to hold down the volumes up and down together as you plug your iPhone into the power source. So once it is shut down, you can press on both of those buttons at the same time. Do not release those buttons, and then go ahead and plug in your iPhone. Once you do that, wait until you see the Apple logo before you release the volume button, okay? So just continue to hold and let's wait for the Apple logo just like so. So once you see that, you can release those two buttons and just let your iPhone reboot as normal. Now, once it is done rebooting, it will boot into this hidden menu, again, the diagnostics menu, that allows you to test anything and everything on your device. Rather, you have issues with Face ID, as I mentioned, or perhaps the camera quality, or your display is not responding properly, you can actually run actual tests directly from Apple on your iPhone. Now, this also serves another purpose. Let's say you want to buy a second-hand device, right? You can run these tests and start using the diagnostics in order to determine that the device you're about to purchase is a working device. So once you go in here, right, once you're into diagnostics, you click continue, you select a network, make sure you connect to a Wi-Fi network in order for this to work. So let's go ahead and connect here to the studio. So go ahead and connect to the network just like so. It says they're connecting to Apple support. And once you see the diagnostics agreement here, just click on agree and start running the diagnostics just like so. Now, once it connects to Apple support, you'll see the hidden menu on your device. As I mentioned, you can test multiple parts of your iPhone directly from the comfort of your home. This is a great tool and not many iPhone users really know about it. So you see right here, we have the diagnostics, mobile resource inspector, audios and self-service repairs. As you can see right there, we have display and pixel anomalies, which is something that I quite often use. And you see here we have multi-touch test, Face ID test, and camera quality test as well. Now, once you select one of these options here, you see here it gives you a breakdown of the actual diagnostics test and the length of time for the actual test or diagnostics to be performed on this device. Now, again, I oftentimes use this one here. Sometimes my iPhone's digitizer sort of gets thrown off and I have to test every now and then. But yeah, you have mobile resources, audio, display, multi-touch, Face ID, and camera tests that you can perform at the comfort of your home. And again, if you're buying a secondhand device, this is also a very, very useful tool. And this is how you unlock this hidden menu on your iPhone. Now, in order to exit, all you have to do is click these three buttons on the top here and click on exit just like that. Confirm, and now you'll reboot back home to the home screen as you normally would. You can go ahead and unplug your device, and that is how you unlock the hidden menu on your iPhone's diagnostics test in order to test your device for any issues that you may be having with any parts of your iPhone, whether it's the camera, Face ID, touchscreen, and so much more. Let me know if you knew about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.